What's the address of your emergency?
He just said my nephew has been shot in the head. Please. He's bleeding out.
Are you with him now?
Who is her?
How old is he? Okay. You said he's not breathing?
He's not breathing. He's unconscious. Please get here.
Can someone do CPR with me?
She is. She's doing CPR. He's not conscious at all. He's not conscious at all.
I have the paramedics on the way. I also have other help on the way. I'm sending the paramedics to help you now. Stay on the line and I'll tell you exactly what to do next. I need to know how old he is.
He's only 16.
He's 16? Do you have any idea who did this or how this happened?
No, we don't know. We don't know who did it. We don't know who did it.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened, what led to this? How you discovered
We
this?
don't know.
Did he just come in the house with it or what happened?
He was in the house.
Okay, you said he was in the house?
Yes, I really don't want to talk. I just want somebody here to help my nephew.
I've got help coming. I've got EMS. I've got fire on the way. I've got police on the way. They're all coming, okay? What's your name, ma'am? You're doing a real great job, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to stay on the line with you until they get there, okay?
Yes. Please.
They're coming down the street right now, okay? Keep an eye out for them. They're here? They're there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, who's there?
Yes. He's unconscious. He's not breathing.
Is that the police, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to let them take over, okay?
Detroit 911, what is the address of the emergency?
My brother, I think he's been shot.
What is the address of the emergency?
I'm sorry, God.
Tell me exactly what is happening. Ma'am, who is it that shot him?
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Where is he at now? Ma'am, I need you to listen to what I'm
On the
saying.
floor in front of my bedroom.
Ma'am, who inside of your home has a firearm?
My police, I don't know what happened.
He was shot. He was shot in the eye. Please hurry.
Ma'am, we already have help on the way. You can hear me. Where is the gun at now, ma'am? Hello, is anyone there?
My son down.
Okay, so ma'am, where's the gun at now?
My son. Oh my God, my black son.
Where is the gun at now?
The gun is not here.
All right, the young lady said this happened inside the house. Where was he at?
In the house.
Okay, so who inside the house shot him, ma'am?
I don't know. I don't know.
I need you to go to him now.
I'm in front of him. His eyes is open. He's not breathing.
How old is he?
He's 16.
Is he awake?
No, he's not. He's not breathing.
Stay on the line with me. We already have a lot of help on the way, okay?
I'm trying to stay on the line. I'm trying.
Ma'am, is the assailant still nearby?
No, the sailor's not.
Is there any serious bleeding?
He's bleeding out. He's bleeding out in his blood. He's
All
not
right, ma'am.
breathing.
We already have a lot of help on the way, okay? Are you right by him now?
I'm by him.
I need you to pump the chest hard and fast, at least twice per second, and 2 inches deep. Count out loud so I can count with you.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ma'am, are those gunshots? Ma'am, who is shooting? Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me? He's trying something in the head.
1, 2. Three, four.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Ready, home.
950 shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Ready, home.
950 shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the ball. Stay off the radio. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Ready, home.
950 shots fired.